Welcome back to
something trick or treat daddy.
Vanicam. Here with Kulapadi with the pusnikai on her head.
And they can tell pusnikai Nandri.
Alright guys, so we're back here with Kulapadi on the model hot seat.
Sit.
So you have to answer them right away, no thinking.
Overthinking பண்ணக்கூடாது.
No overthinking, exactly. Overthinking can be injurious to health.
Warning போடணும் கீழே.
Alright, so are you ready? Favorite word?
That is my favorite word.
Name your top 3 local artists.
Naps 47, Rolex Rasati, Sean Vincent de Paul.
Alright, favorite sport?
Boxing.
Favorite animal?
Eagles.
Favorite Tamil song?
Angipona Rasa, Sangalamachu, Kaji Ari Pochu, Meta lyrics Marndate, Niyum Nanum, Sayerdal in the Pusanikai, Cookpan Alam, or a pumpkin pie, say you lamb.
Good job! That was pretty good, yeah. Making up the lyrics, that's even better. Favorite Tamil movie?
And basically.
Favorite drink?
In the mother you do. Nectar.
Yes,
nectar.
Favorite food?
Korean barbecue.
Favorite subject?
Science.
Favorite number?
2.
I'm a number 2.
I'm a number 2 too.
Alright, what is something you look for in a partner?
I feel like they have to be boring a little bit, more reliable, not a creative, but somewhat encouraging. So basically the kind of the opposite of me, but at the same time
You're not encouraging?
I don't know. I've never been in a relationship.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Kulapadi, Kundi, Kakus.
All K's. Good. Triple K. Alright. Something someone said to you that changed your life.
I would say Ruben Cam. Like this was like 4 years ago. He's like, just always keep shooting. Like just keep shooting to become better. And that's been a philosophy. So thank you, Ruben Cam.
Thank you.
Nandri.
iPhone or Android?
MacBook perfect thendal iPhone illadi kalla vera seradhendal Android.
Your thoughts on arranged marriages?
Just make sure your like astrology birth charts match up and make sure neither of you are cheating around and using each other for citizenship.
Watch night.
Green card bloody nonsense.
Favorite male YouTuber?
David Villa and Solala.
Yes!
David Villa!
And your favorite female YouTuber?
Jackie Aina.
Jackie Aina?
Yeah, Jackie.
Alright.
Jackie Aina, Jackie Akka. I love you.
Favorite stand-up comedian?
Okay, Sundar, Durga, and Gina.
Alright. Any pets?
Cleo, doggy.
Coke or Pepsi?
Coca-Cola, brown color dog.
Yes. So Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Alright. What do you like to do during your alone time?
I stare at the ceiling.
One makeup product you cannot live without.
Mascara.
What would you do with $1 million?
Pay off my parents' house and then invest the rest into stocks.
Top pet peeves?
People who don't use signal when they're changing lanes.
Mine too.
Sandy
though.
put
Use the signal. Alright, to reduce our anger now, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
I feel like my health. Yeah, that's the one thing.
If you can be any body part for a day, what would it be and why?
I want to be a wrist.
I thought you would have said kundi.
Kundiன்னு சொல்லலாம் ஆனா wrist வந்து அது எத்தனை பாடுபடுதோ யாருக்கு தெரியும், you know?
True. Yeah. If your life was a movie, what would be the title?
Soup song, flop song. Yes.
Alright, favorite holiday?
Favorite holiday? Halloween.
Alright, அதான் பூசணிக்காய் வெச்சுக்கிறேன்.
பூசணிக்காய் and the thalai, பூசணிக்காய் in the mind. Literally one of my friends bought me a pumpkin spice latte. I think that's the first or second one I've ever had in my whole life. It was good.
It was good? It was good. I was scared to try it, but maybe because
it tastes like masala tea with like a coffee culture. So like a latte, like a nice in a mug.
I want to try just to kind of know, but
It's a great.
Sherry, favorite piece of clothing?
Underwear. Either that or socks.
Not nighty?
இல்ல
ले लिया.
I mean, yeah.
How
'cause
often do you wear nighties?
Oh my god, that's so cool. I can wear Nike and not have to worry about anything I wear underneath.
Yeah.
Kaat
Do you have a nightie? You don't need to.
So I guess it's a Nike, yeah. Nike, yeah.
Okay,
Nike favorite.
got it. Which celebrity would you date if you could?
Michael B. Jordan.
Define success to you.
Enough that my parents don't have to work ever.
Biggest regret up to now.
Joining dance teams.
When you feel down, what do you do to make yourself feel better?
I make Kulapadi videos.
That doesn't mean hurt our feelings, okay?
What hurt my feelings? I would make less videos.
What is a misconception others may have about you?
They just think I'm a social person.
Favorite childhood memories?
Probably like tempo class and like Sangeetam class when I was little.
What's tempo class?
Tempo class, like Saivam class, but not the actual learning. All the kakus and kutu. All the Kulapadi, yeah, all the Kulapadi I did as a kid.
Favorite quote?
Favorite quote, never give up.
Never give up. Never give up, guys.
I don't give up on the who sunny kai.
Pineapple on pizza?
Savouryக்கு மேல ஸ்வீட் போட்டா அது நல்லா இருக்காது.
இருக்காது.
இல்லை. அது இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் சுவாமி சொன்னது. ஹர ஹர மகாதேவ்.
Weirdest thing you have ever seen in your life?
Two pigeons humping. Like the one
I never
bird was
thought
like
about it.
a pigeon was like this if this is the pigeon's legs. The other pigeon was mounted on it. They were facing forward. Police at 4 மணி public indecency ன்னு சொல்ல போனா நான் அதுக்கிடையில பறந்துட்டாங்க.
பறந்துட்டாங்க.
Tinder life, I think. Tinder.
First person you call when something horrible happens?
My brother.
Can you touch your nose with your tongue? What inspires you?
Everything.
I thought you were going to say Ponnu. I was like,
No, everything inspires me.
Okay, good. Your ideal day?
Coffee shop and then probably like a fun activity, either like hiking or like a photo shoot or just something like interesting.
And how many tattoos do you have?
9. Wait, hold up.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8.
Can you please show everyone your Kali tattoo, man? That is to die for. Please, everyone, take a look.
So the tattoo artist is Humblebee Tattoo, and the person who drew it is Darsh Illustration on Instagram. She's popping.
Any advice for comedians out there?
Oh, this is a serious one.
Ooh,
So, Ningle comedy here in England now, punch up. So, other term I learned பண்ணினான். Basically, நீங்கள் யாராவது make fun பண்றீங்களா, make sure there's someone that's more privileged than you or someone that just has a better life than you. I guess you can make fun of like, you know, your like, you know, CEO or like Pilakaran or like a real estate agent that has 5 videos and a chinna video, you know, things like that. But like, don't make fun of people that are struggling. So don't make fun of like, you know, obviously women who get like oppressed by like people and you know, people who worked in factories or people who are homeless. Like, don't make fun of people like that, or people who have like health problems. Don't make fun of people like that. You know, make fun of yourself. Makes comedy better, but like don't normalize, you know, beating up a wife, or don't normalize you know, like typical family toxicity as this like you know, that it's normal when, you know, we're trying so hard to change it. So and also ella thamlakalukku or therapy session theve. So just basically when you're doing comedy, just be nice.
Yeah.
Like you can be funny without, you know, hurting any minority background or like a less privileged background, like, and then they see your content and it's kind of like, yo, that's not cool. Yeah, no.
I agree.
So just be nice. Less stress, less depress.
And less mess.
Great.
What kind of books do you like to read?
Instagram captions.
What male celebrity do you wish was your brother?
Yogi Babu.
What would you name your daughter if you had one?
If I had a daughter, I don't know. I'd probably give her a name that's hard to pronounce.
Would you name her Vinsia?
No.
No, like say like your name wasn't Vinsia. Would you name your daughter Vinsia?
No, I don't know what my parents' drugs they were on. My name was supposed to be Gaushiga, but they like the numerology didn't add up. So I don't know where they got the Vinsia from. I mean, if this was in current times, I'd understand. Vin Diesel the Vinna eduthu, Sia the Sia was Sorvi Vinsia. But at the same time, I don't know my drugs.
It's unique though. I love your name.
Thank you. I love your name too.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
You like it?
It's ModelMeUp. It's such a beautiful legal name. Check your government ID. It says ModelMeUp. I've checked your government ID.
Yeah.
I am a police.
What takes the biggest chunk of your paycheck?
Bills.
Alright, another question.
Bills.
Alright, last question. We're G, what do you want to ask Kulapadi, your sister?
தம்பி கேளுங்க போறீங்களோ தம்பி கேளுங்க தம்பி wow
So,
தம்பி
where can I get this top?
you can get it kulapadi.com நீங்கள் ஒரு குடி வாங்கினால் ஒரு பூசணிக்காய் ஃப்ரீ
ஒரு குடி
Sabah!
Model hot seat with Kulapadi. With who?